So in this video, I am going to show you how to add a PayPal button to Shopify. So please watch the video till the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. Alright, so let's get started. So first you want to head on to your store page and Shopify and simply go to the customize your page. So place it on customize and you will be redirected to here your page. So the next thing you want to is simply go to your website called elfsite.com. So this is a free website. You can use the upgrade to your store. So from here you just simply click on wages and in the search bar just search for PayPal. And as you can see there is a PayPal button right here. Just click on it. Okay, as you can see there is a template right here, 3 templates. So just use the template and click on continue with this template. From here what you want to make sure to enter your PayPal email here. Make sure that the price is correct, the currency is correct and the product name. You can also put in a redirect URL here. So let's just try adding this to the website. Okay, and from here just click on publish. Okay, as you can see there is a free plan right here. So just click select list. Click on that and as you can see you can now copy and paste this code into the website place of your website. So you just want to copy the code and go back to your store Shopify. So from here you want to make sure to add a section in the template section. So just add a section here and once scroll down and make sure to select custom liquid. And now here is the right side of the custom liquid settings. You just want to paste your code here. Okay, now just click on save and as you can see the PayPal button is now added to your Shopify store. Okay, so that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.